Hello, my name is Rick Rolston. I'm the CEO of BuiltSpace Technologies from Vancouver, British Columbia. I'm going to just talk about one of our projects as a case study. It's the University of British Columbia's Centre for Interactive Research and Sustainability. It's about a 61,000 square foot LEED Platinum building, very heavily censored. We've got about 3,000 sensor points in the building, and it's actually going after a LEED or a Living Building Challenge certification as well. At the building, we've done a 2-year joint research project with UBC with a PhD to look at integration of BuiltSpace, which is really focusing on the facilities management and the collaboration of the building through the operating life cycle of the building, and Revit. So we've done a two-way integration there. We've got some findings that I want to share with you. This project is still underway, by the way. So the project objectives of this research project were to understand the role of BIM and FM, to develop this two-way integration, BuiltSpace and Revit, to integrate design, operational, energy, occupant, and service data into a single platform, to try and quantify the value of all of this work, which is still a bit of a challenge for us, and to develop strategies for driving operational and energy efficiency. UBC has got a living lab approach, which allows us to extend the work that we're doing in this building to other buildings on campus as well. So the integration, we've done that, and we found some issues with taking an existing BIM that was not as built in the end, and so there was some issues there. We've created an inhabitant interface with the university in this building. This involved getting an integration with the building automation system, which was a Honeywell system, and allowing the occupants of the building in their workspace to be able to control their own set points, their own lighting. The building is highly automated, so that was actually one of the shortcomings in the building, was that the occupants, for example, couldn't turn out their own lights if they thought they had enough daylighting. Our focus has really been on the real-time service. How do we manage these buildings where there's multiple service providers, and integrate the workflows and business process around the service industry. So one of our approaches is, let's tag everything with the universal asset tag. Let's create this collaboration for buildings and a collaborative service delivery model. So we've done that, and our focus is really on how to get the service providers to use the system. And we've been actually quite successful. We've got about 2,500 buildings using BuiltSpace in the BuiltSpace system, and with service providers managing data that way. The Internet of Things, how's the Internet of Things and BIM related? And we see our role, one of our roles, as creating a building avatar that's very simple, that brings the data to the building site, and we use that to create these intercorporate business processes that are supported by internet-connected devices, and I think this is a very good example of that. The keys to it, in my view, are security, collaboration, and integration. So I'll leave this slide up. This is kind of some of the things that we've found so far in our work, and I'd be happy to talk to anybody about this project further. Thank you.